Now we are going to move on to the next topic, that is day and night, right? So are you ready? Now please pay attention, put your finger and listen properly and read along with me. It will help you to improve your reading as well as to understand this topic. Okay? Are you sure you are going to read with me? Okay. Now let us start. Do you know how day and night are caused? Now the answer is the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now let us see how. The earth does not have its own light. It gets light from the sun. The earth rotates on its axis, and as a result, only one part of the earth, which faces the sun, gets light at a time. This part of the earth which gets sunlight has day. The other part of the earth remains in dark and has night. The rotation of the earth continues and day and night follow each other. Our earth completes one rotation in about 24 hours. So we say one day has 24 hours. This is the reason we say one day is equal to 24 hours. Now the next topic is revolution. Now what is revolution? The earth spins on its axis and also moves around the sun in a fixed path. This fixed path is known as orbit. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution of the earth. The earth completes one revolution in about 301/4 day. Now every fourth year an extra day is added in the year and it has 365 days. It is called a leap year. The additional day is added in the month of February as 29th day in a leap year. It is the revolution of the earth that causes the seasons on the earth. Okay? Now just a short recap for you. Are you ready? The outer surface of the earth is known as the crust. Point number 2. The center of the earth is called the core. Mantle is present between the crust and the core. The spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. So you have already now read the chapter, and I would like you to watch these videos 2 or 3 times and revise the question and answers. It will help you. Okay? Now the reading of the chapter is over. In the next class we will start the exercises written work. Okay?